Well, good afternoon, it's me again. Today's video is about the Rommey Marsh ploughing match, which is on tomorrow, Sunday the 4th tomorrow. See, I've got it all loaded up ready for the morning. So I'm going to put this in the barn with the car, so I just pull straight out tomorrow morning. Thanks a lot for coming on my videos, I do appreciate it. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up for me, if you're so kind. And if you haven't already, think about subscribing. Don't cost you a penny, and it helps the channel out no end. Anyway, I don't know if you noticed, new decal on it. I've treated myself to a sticker. If you can't see it now, you'll see it tomorrow anyway. But anyway, let's go on with this video now anyway. Cheers for now. Well, good morning. We're here, Rommey Marsh. We're starting loading the tractor now. Take you along and then go to my plot. See you in a little while. I've changed trailers, Peter, not so many times because I can't handle them big ramps no more.
Oh right, yeah. Oh, struggle, definitely.
Whereas I've got this one now, it fits nicely. I've converted it so I can get the plough sticks out of the back.
Yeah.
And it's it is a lot of difference. You know, especially when you get to our ages.
Yes, exactly.
Well, you know what ploughing matches are, they're all the same. They're all
It's all different. How many are you doing this year?
only 3.
Okay. Will you be at the Wilder Kent?
Wilder Kent and North Kent.
Okay.
out now. Off to me plot. Good morning. And who are we?
I'm Henry Church.
Nice to meet you. Fergie class, we all love the Fergie class.
Yep.
Why do we do it?
Because we enjoy it.
And it's easy. I like the easiness of Fergie class.
Well,
you know,
we're not.
none of these side
We're not
shifts.
fighting wars.
No.
There are less variables, as you say, than and it's quite a low cost to entry. Yeah,
And
and
it's
it's
a good
quite
day
easy to move around.
Yeah.
It's a nice group of people.
Lovely.
I mean, I don't know what the others are like, but I don't need to
I see
find
you
out.
camped here last night.
Yeah.
Did you come a long way, did you?
Yeah, I live in Gloucestershire, and so
Oh.
we did the East Grinstead Ploughing match yesterday, and then drove down here today, and then but quite a long drive home.
Bit chilly?
No.
No? Good
Warm
night's
as toast,
sleep?
yeah.
Bit of
Just went-
scotch or something to help you?
No, just shot up to the wall pack up the road with my friend Trevor, who's down there.
Oh,
He's come
lovely.
from Swindon, and a bit of grub.
Perfect day out then for your weekend away.
Absolutely.
Away from the traumas of work. Anyway. Well, thanks for giving me an interview. I do appreciate it. I love your little setup when you plough. You've got the same similar to me with the tractor weights on each furrow. And
Yeah, I do, I own the tractor, I don't own the plough. I'm borrowing the plough off Chris Huck, who's the national champion in Ferguson.
So you've got to do well today, haven't you?
Well, it's not been winning for me for a year now. But
Do we do it to
Chris
win?
loves setting them up, and I mean, he's very particular about how they do it. So as he says to me, the plough can win. It's a question of whether you can.
Yeah, but
And it turns out I haven't.
Yeah, but I don't. It's a day out for
Yeah,
me.
absolutely.
Anyway.
And likewise.
Appreciate your time.
No problem at all.
Tell us your name and where you come from again.
Henry Church. I'm from Cirencester in Gloucestershire.
Thanks for your time.
No problem.
Good morning, John. We all set up for a good day.
Yes, yeah, hope so. They had a shower here a little while ago, I think, a couple of days ago, so might not be too bad.
Yeah. Hopefully the ground breaks nicely.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Look at the furrow there, it
nice
looks a
and
bit
clean.
knobbly.
Yeah. Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
I'll let you get on, John.
Thanks.
Cheers, matey. Right, John. You're on, mate. Well, I'm at my plot and I'll start laying the poles out. Well, that was hard going. Lumpy, clumpy, horrible. As you can see behind me, I'm not exactly thrilled with it, but it is what it is. Let's get on with the rest of the day. Let's get this judged, and don't want to win many points for this anyway. Cheers for coming on.
Obviously a PTO thing.
To make it bigger.
It looks like bread, yeah. But I can turn it with my hands when it's standing here like that.
Oh, it's overrun coupling. You've got a big
It's got like a
plastic
round plate
on
like
it,
that and a shaft coming out.
That's an overrun coupling. If you've done any topping with one of these, if you haven't got one of them, as soon as you put your bottom clutch, the topper, where it spins, it'll carry on driving the tractor forward.
Oh, I see.
And if you stop right in a corner, it'll push you right up through the fence.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, they're a pain
That's going to
when
fucking
you do
happen to me. But it's got it on there. Look, I can turn it with my hand. I thought, well, I haven't took the picture. I thought, but it just turns with your
Yeah,
hand.
it's an overrun coupling.
Oh, so that's what it is.
Sorry, can you stop swearing?
Oh, sorry.
That's alright. I'm just interested in what you're both saying, like, you know what I mean, on camera. It's on the YouTube channel as well, so it's nice to listen to you talk about different tractors and everything, and how the coil's different, the start motor's different, and that sort of thing, you know. This is how we all learn. This is why I put it on camera. This is how we all learn.
Yeah, I've just come down to pick up tips like this, you know, and the guy gave me a link like this. He said, I'll chuck that in, he said, I don't want that, and it's like that. He said it was original, it looked to me like homemade, but obviously it ain't.
See,
I've got one over there as well.
The thing is with that, it's simple. It's set up with the grooves, it's set up. That's what Ferguson decided to play to run at, and that's what I'm at. If you put an adjustable link on it, you've got more trouble.
Adjustable links on these, they come unstuck.
Yeah.
Because they tip them up a bit to get them further in the ground, and then you get two uneven furrows. Yeah, you're better off with one of them, especially in Fergie class.
I think so, because it makes it. I'm a simple person. It makes it simple.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's set. It can't go wrong. Once you've got the lot in line now,
Them two notches are for ploughing. So if they're lined up, that's the ploughing thing.
you can have things on it where you have the mowers on it, can't you? Where you can.
Oh, the rack.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then your other chain comes from whatever you're carrying, and it hooks up over the rack and keeps it up off the ground.
And whatever you do, if you get your plough boards, get them as. I mean, they're new plough boards on there, and they're nothing like the old metal ones that used to be on there. My old boards, you could polish them to a mirror finish. Them new ones, you're going to get it like that.
Different steel, obviously different quality steel.
Different
like,
quality steel, different
like
makeup of
most
steel.
things in there. It was
Yeah,
not made
I
like
mean, you
that.
look at some of the old boys here with the old boards on. They are mirror. You know what I mean? I spent nearly a week cleaning them boards from Brown, and look at them, they're not.
Right,
Don't
speaking
make me
of
hear
comparisons, but I actually come over here to ask a favour.
Go on in.
Have you got a plug spanner?
No.
I thought TVO, he's bound to have one.
No, I'm afraid I haven't.
Number 3's all up.
No, I can't help you there.
Right, there's another one here somewhere.
Thanks for that information anyway. I'm going to have a little wander like, and yeah, I'm going to
Before
be a while.
you go, tell us your name and where you come from.
Oh, my name's Robin. My name's Robin. I come from Ashford in Kent.
And you are?
I'm Tom and I come from Westfield.
Westfield.
Yeah.
And I'll be online a lot asking lots of questions because I don't know.
Yeah.
You know.
We appreciate your time.
Thanks
anyway.
very much indeed.
Bye. Next plot to me. You can't see a lot of furrows. You can't bury that trash in either, can you? It's hard, isn't it? But it don't look. It looks all right. Got a little bit of a curve this end, but it looks all right, hasn't it? Yeah. It's this bit here, isn't it?
Yeah, when it first goes in.
Yeah. Well, I've lifted mine up a Chad and I've locked it off so I can only go that. I've realised just go that deep because otherwise you can keep going too deep and it just misses it. How's he finding it?
Well, we're gardening straw.
Yeah.
We've decided that we're going to have a straw garden rather than a ploughed field.
A ploughed field, yeah. Yeah, totally agree with you. It's not the best, is it? But we're all in the same boat.
It's really hard though, isn't it?
It is hard, isn't it? What's his name?
Roy Kennett.
And where are you from?
We're from the Isle of Sheppey.
Okay, and what's your name?
Trisha.
Thanks for your time. Guys, what brings you to the ploughing match today?
See how steely it is, to see how it's going to go on the World of Kent ploughing match in 2 weeks' time.
Right. It's horrible. Can I just say that? It's horrible. Big and lumpy.
Yeah.
Can't go too deep. If you go too deep, everything's
Pulls
not
it all
well.
up.
On these Fergies it does anyway.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so What's your name and where'd you come from, mate?
James Fortnall, Charles Sutton, Maidstone.
Cheers, matey. Seems to be bearing a bit better up this end. Not so much straw.
Man, I was borrowing that on hard ground, is it, eh?
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing to this event today? Are you just watching?
We're just watching,
Just
yeah.
watching? Do you enjoy this sort of thing doing?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Fantastic. Where, have you come far?
No, we're locals.
We're New Rommey.
Oh, no, Rommey. So what's your names then?
Law. Ian and Janet. Ian and Janet Law.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you something to do with this man here?
It's my husband.
Is your husband? You're going to own up to that one, are
I
you?
am.
Okay. Seems to be doing all right, nice and straight. He's bearing a bit of crop, isn't he?
Oh, crikey, it's hard, isn't it?
It is hard. I found it terribly hard, but you know, we're all in the same boat, aren't we?
That's true.
But he's doing a good job there
It's
anyway.
a day out.
That's it. So what's your names again? You are?
I'm Jan Hogbin.
And
That's Ian.
you're from where?
We're from Preston. And usually my granddaughter ploughs here as well, Elsie.
Oh, I know Elsie. We've
Yeah,
met on
she's down there. She's had a baby. So
Oh, congratulations.
So she's not
the
ploughing.
boy or girl?
Little fella, little
Little
man.
boy. Robin's a nice name if that's in trouble. But yeah, later. Well, how's that for you?
That is hard.
Yep, we know that. You've done better than most people though. Apart from one little kick out, you buried a lot of the straw.
Yeah, I've done too bad. Not considering.
Yeah. And the old international fared well, did it?
Yeah, absolutely.
It got some guts in it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that plough's a nice plough. It seems to pull through nice, isn't it?
Just got to tick it along, you know, so we're going to break something.
You're not going too deep in either, are you?
No, I'm not going to go too deep either. It's
No.
supposed to be 6 inches, but
Yeah. That's what I've decided. I lock my plough off at 6 inches, and I've tried going a bit deep. All it does is just wrecks the tractor, I think, and you're going to end up breaking it, aren't you?
yeah.
No, it's hard. Well, I appreciate your time. What's your name again?
Richard,
And you're from where?
Sussex.
Thanks for your time, Richard. Cheers. Judge needs the plot. Not allowed to talk to him. Every judge has his own ways. Sorry. And they'll look for something a little bit different. Straightness, bearing a crop. And a little conflab. Like I say, we're not allowed to talk to them. See what happens at the end. Judging my plot now. Good morning.
Well, mate.
Hello. It's an old boy, is it?
Hey?
No, he's only 4.
Is he? Got that old look in the face, isn't it, really?
He's finding trouble to keep his feet out the crack.
Yeah, same here. Do you travel far?
No, only Clayton.
Oh, right, so not too far. Nice day out for you anyway.
Yeah, we only got up over there.
That's your house over there, is it? Thanks for your time.
That's how far away we are.
Can I ask what you're doing here as well? Got trails blocked up. Looking around hard and making it. All right.
And by cleaning it like that, you get out there and then black and not hopefully and put it back in it. Hard with the trail today. Yeah. Wrap all in the hard soil, yeah, and it makes it grip. Start pushing the power over. Unlike the 3-point inches, oh, it's got on the arm and that's it moving. Yeah. But they take that into consideration, not for they you get a good done, it's nice to see the young lady doing the job. Do you relate to the dog? Yeah, you see my dog, huh? And that's my son. I've got a son, what's his name? Lee. You go up similar. Where you from? Cranbrook. Local to me, Austin D. Yeah. Have a good day. I'll catch you on later. Shall we have a chat later? Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Get your comments on it, alright? I'll let you get on. I'm not going to disturb you. Nice tractor though. Now we've met before, haven't we? You're on your own section. You're in your don't swear. Nick off. Anyway, mate. Job? Yeah, it was good as it's going to get. Good condition. I just was speaking to his dad over there. Yeah. It's just stuff. It's really great to see you. Yeah. What's your name and where'd you come from?
You know who I am and where I come from, you bugger.
Alright. Well done, Lee. Good work.
Now, you like these ploughing events. You don't do ploughing yourself, do you?
No.
You do. You're more a road run type of guy.
Fruit, orchards.
Oh, you do fruit?
Yeah, I did used to when I was working.
So you got a long time in farming, have you?
Well, I grew up on a farm.
Yeah.
In the 50s, 40s, 50s, hops, fruit.
Yeah, hops. Yeah. I love the hops.
I left school and went on the fruit farm. We used to make machinery.
Oh, right.
Sprayers and graders.
Yeah.
Used to do, all that,
Yeah. So, you're retired now, are you?
I'm retired. Well, when I left the farm, I was on the building, I was driving a lorry.
No, really?
I'm retired 11.5 years.
Did you prefer to the driving or do you prefer?
I just love driving. It's all their market work, fruit.
Oh, right. Yeah.
All the markets,
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
So what you said you was born on a farm as well, weren't you?
Yeah. And breed, Port Oak breed.
Now, as a childhood, you must have seen it. What a great life for a child to be brought up on a farm.
For a child,
in the days,
not for the workers.
Not for the workers. It was hard work,
It was
wasn't
hard work.
Well, you got to get up at God knows what time in the morning, didn't you?
Well, they're dairy, every mixed farm with dairy, arable, sheep, everything.
That's right. It's more mixed farming in those days, wasn't it? So you didn't have like today with an arable or a dairy. Arable, you could sort of like put the crop in the ground and forget it until, apart from the spraying man come round.
That's right,
Until the harvest comes in.
Yeah, well, I'm the brother, used to dry ops at night and then they go combining during the day.
But you say drying ops, wasn't that a lovely smell when they were drying?
Yeah, the kid always sleep in the house, love it.
Yeah. The drying man always had a little area with his bed and everything. Because once them burners are lit, you can't go willy-nilly running off away, can you? Because you can set fire to the house.
These are coal fires,
Oh, right. Now they tell me, I don't know how true it is, they used to put sulphur.
Yeah.
What was the sulphur for?
Brimstone. Keeps the colour.
Keeps the colour. Oh, it's nothing to do with the insects or anything like that.
I think it was just to keep the colour of the hops green. They call it brimstone.
Brimstone?
Brimstone.
Oh yeah, brimstone.
But you get, because what's the proper name for brimstone,
Yeah.
It's horrible smell.
What a lovely, nice to meet you and nice to get your view on the camera. I really appreciate my subscribers. And tell me your name and where you come from again.
Just a couple of points. We've got a gentleman here from John Page Trailers.
John Page Trailers.
Oh,
I'm just wearing their shirt.
Oh, okay. Sorry, you're not with John Page Trailers. Would like to put this on YouTube. If anyone's got any objections to that, then we're more than happy to delete those people that don't want it put on or uploaded onto YouTube after today. Okay, if you come and see the gentleman at the end, he will delete your he will come and delete you off the presentations. Thank you very much. So first up this afternoon, there's no class 1, so we're straight into class 2 for the class 2 classic, and this is the third prize to B base B. Okay.
Not here.
Not here.
Try not to wander out.
Alright, you'll have to stay there. I'll have to do some running.
Second prize is to Ian Lynch.
On the back now.
So first prize goes to, so next class 3 vintage, third prize, our head.
No. Second prize. Just coming. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. We'll be back again. We're meant to not be going out of shop.
No, we're not. I'll thank you for it, but it's not me.
Oh, okay. Alright, cheers. Thanks very much. Second prize is Den Smith.
No?
Hopefully we've got a first prize. I Hogman.
Thanks, thanks very much. Cheers. Thank you very much indeed.
There you go, well done. Go with it. Well done.
Sorry.
If you could to hear.
Yeah,
Okay, now on to class 4, Grey Ferguson plus Ferguson plough.
Sorry, I just want to remind you where.
Stop.
So class 4, Grey Ferguson and Ferguson plough. That is J Payne.
Third place.
Thank you. All right, cheers. All right, thanks a lot.
Second place goes to M Jones.
Cheers. Thanks very much.
And first place goes to A King.
All right, well done.
Thank you. Well done, and a nice big trophy to go with it. And just sign down for us for the trophy. No luck.
Okay, class 5, vintage trailer. Third place goes to O West.
1, 2.
Whether it did it on its own, it changed channels.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Second place for the vintage trailer is P Wiley.
All right, thanks very much. Cheers.
First place goes to A West.
It's a long way up.
All right, cheers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and there's his trophy. Would you be good enough to sign on here for it? Thank you very much.
So now on to the novice class. Third place goes to Emily Watson.
Well done. Thank you.
Second place goes to L Watson.
Thanks very much.
No, you're not signed. You're not signed for that. It's only the cup. Thank you.
And first place, not sure who this is, I think it's Ed Lovejoy. Come on, Ed. No worries.
And a cup to go with it. And can we have a signature?
It's the one and only. One and only.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So the class 7, the one and only, reversible, and that goes to Philip Batt. Come on, Philip, you can walk a bit faster than that.
They all like to walk an awful long way.
Huh?
You deserve this.
Do you deserve it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, you survived
Of course you do. There's your
Right, thank you.
There's your trophy.
Right, thank you.
And I just need a signature for it. Philip.
Oh, right, okay.
There we go.
I'll do a pump for you. Right, we've got some specs. You want to do it?
Yeah, no.
So, just moving on to some specials now. First one is the Bell Agricultural Cup for the most original combination, and that goes to Henry Edwards.
Right, oil cup half a tin.
Well, pleased to have that. Thank you very much.
Can I just get this sign there, please? Thank you. Right.
The next cup is the Rye Oil Cup,
Arthur King.
and that is to Arthur King.
We've got the same bit of paper.
Sorry, yeah, you want to know what that's for?
That was for the under 25s.
Under 25s.
Thank you. The under 25s. A quick scrawl on. Sorry, this is all. We should have 2 bits of paper here. Lovely. Thank you. No, I didn't write it on there like a twit, did I? Right, the best walk with the Thank you.
Okay, the next one is the Hames Cup, which is the best work with a Ford tractor, and that goes to P. Wiley.
I'll copy his signature.
We're getting there.
You're getting there.
Not bad, Lee. Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do you want me to sign? I could sign for it. I've seen it before. Pete Riley there. I'll sign it there. So you've got the Hames Cup. All right.
The next one is for the Ramsack Rose Bowl, so best work with a ransom, and that goes to I. Hogman.
Thank you again.
Great. Yeah, well done.
Are you happy for me to sign it for you? Yeah, best work with the ransom. Okay. Lovely, thank you.
So we now move on to the Bob Marshall Cup, and that's for best novice, and that's Ed Lovejoy. Another one, Ed. Another one. Well done. Well done.
I've signed it for you.
Oh, well done.
Ed Lovejoy.
Well done.
Don't go too far away.
Oh, no, thank you.
Pre something or other cab. Oh, pre-Q cab.
I just stopped there.
Yeah, I told you.
So the next one is the Pilcher Challenge Cup, and that is for the best turned out old outfit pre-Q cab, and that goes to, again, Ed Lovejoy. Friday cat.
You better have that one.
You can have that one.
Yeah.
Well, you can sign for it if you like. Go and pick the cup up.
Well, you get the cup that way.
Yeah,
well done, well done.
It's because I did the tractor up. Well, I'm the Friday Club. That's why he's let me have it.
Alright, I've written you down as D Lovejoy. That's alright, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, thank you. And now you've got the Mr. and Mrs. local Ploughing.
Okay, the next one is the Mr. and Mrs. Clifton Holt Cup, and that's the best work done by a local ploughman, and that's to Alan Pilcher.
That's got the envelope in it as well. I'm signing for you.
It doesn't have to be like that.
Go and get your cup. Go on with you. Go and get your cup. I've done it. I said I'm signing for you.
Well done, Alan.
If I know these people, I know they won't run off with a cup. So now you've got reserve champion. Reserve champion.
Okay, this is the Amoco Vixal Cup Reserve Champion, and that goes to Paul Wiley.
He was here earlier.
He's obviously slipped off.
Yeah. Bring your collection of silver. Swap you. Swap you.
Sorry about that. We were talking.
Alright.
Well done, well done.
Well done.
Lovely, thank you very much.
I've written you down again. Is that all right?
Yeah,
I've written you down. Please
Yeah,
write it.
thank you very
And
much.
the overall champion.
Disappear off. We've just got one more award to give out. Just bear with me a minute. Alan Pilcher, you've done a lot for the Ploughing Match Society. That others have, but you've done a lot as well. Put a lot of work in to what goes on here, as did your father before you. So we'd like to give you honorary membership of the Rommey Marsh Ploughing and Cultivation Society.
Thank you, Alan, for your continued support and
No, you don't have to pay anymore.
I'll put it up, little man.
Got to put you on the camera.
Thanks everybody for
Yeah.
the judges, particularly some of them come online.
Just before we go, there's a lot of people that, well, this event wouldn't happen without them. The stewards, the judges, everyone that gives up their time for today. There's a lot of preparation as well. We have a lot of sponsorship from a lot of the companies around. And there's also the committee. A lot of work goes on in the background. We have a lot of discussions. I think that's the polite thing to say. We have a lot of discussion. But we've got Alan, who's a stalwart. We've got Morris Cripps, Robert Thompson, Martin Bolden, and the ladies down here, the unsung heroes, Rosemary, Wendy. But also there's a lady who, this probably wouldn't happen without her at times. She keeps all of us men in order, and that's Diana Wimble. So thank you to everybody that helps. Thank you. Yeah, hopefully see you all again next year. Hopefully the ground conditions are a little bit kinder.
And we would have had some rain.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, there you go. All done and dusted for the day. Didn't win nothing, didn't expect to win anything, but it's been a great day for me. And I appreciate John Page behind me. Gave me a t-shirt. So go and buy your trader with him next time, will you? And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me. I do appreciate you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Don't cost you anything. It does the channel a world of good. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. See you again. Cheerio for now.